Whew. Hey guys, how's it going? Today's word of the day is sweaty, because I'm sweaty because I just finished rocking out on a beast for like an hour, and yeah, check that out. Oh snap! Desktop background is Rapunzel. I'm gonna get a T-shirt printed with her on it. Oh, and by the way, what does that say? If you can read that. Hopefully I'm picking this up on the camera here. It says, "The Devil Wears Prada," right there. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, that's where I was last night. I got some videos that I'm probably going to upload. Sound quality's not too great. Holy smokes. Because this is an iPod Nano. A little tiny, like, I don't even, 1/2 millimeter microphone and a 2mm camera. So, not greatest sound quality, but at least you can see it. I got, I think I got the full song of Dogs Can Grow Beards All Over on there. I like freaked out when they played that. Let's see what's going on in my world. Sorry for the Minecraft people. Haven't been uploading any Minecraft videos like I promised because I've been busy with a different game that a fellow Minecraft player actually got me into. I'm subscribed to him. We talk a lot about Minecraft stuff. His name, I can't remember his name, his username, like his YouTube username, but it's like David X something, and his like saying every video is like, "Hey guys, it's X." So if you watch a guy named X and he does a lot of Minecraft videos, yeah, he got me hooked on this like MMORPG. It's pretty sweet. It's like it's an action, like it's got lots of cutscenes and stuff, which is pretty sweet for an MMO because MMOs don't usually have a lot of cutscenes. Well, that I've played anyway. Like I played WoW, I played a couple other free ones, but yeah, been rambling for a little bit. Whew, it's freaking hot in this room. Maybe it's just because I'm hot. Let's see here. Pretty much that's it. Went to Devil Wears Prada last night. Got this sweet shirt. My mom loves it, clearly, with the beast and the zombie there. She loves that kind of stuff. Sarcasm. And anyways, that's pretty much it. Sorry to those Minecraft people. Probably going to be uploading a little bit of the Devil Wears Prada stuff that I filmed last night. And I'm going to go chug a gallon of water. Peace off.